Hi, Larry. Ellen told me to send this screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three quick tips on how you can actually start outranking your competition. So, the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I'm just going to run through your site real quick here. So, really, the first thing I'm going to go over is content. Really, even these little images, they're all content as well. Google recognizes this, and actually putting you have home back there. You can actually put yeah, keywords back there. That also make a huge difference with your rankings. And also really bringing this up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Google loves authoric content. And, plus, you need enough content in there to layer other keywords on what you're actually trying to be found for as well. Now, if I go inside of a Google here and actually just type in AC Repair Orlando FL, this is what you're going to see. You got these ads here at the very top. There's the old school traditional ads. These Google guarantees are actually brand new. They came up with these to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. There's still a paid form of advertisement. So if I just click on that, some of these cost like $47 a piece. I'm not going to do it, by the way. So underneath this little underneath those ads, you're gonna have this little map pack right here. This map section here, really to get the rankings in this section is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. Citations, what those are just an online business directory. You got the BBB, Yelp, City Star, Locals Best, Facebook, LinkedIn. There's tons of them out there. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that our competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath that, we have this little this section here. This is the first page of Google, and really to get the rankings in this section is going to be dealing with that authoric content on your website. Also, what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. So if I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. I'm just going to do a quick overview real quick with you. So you got 40 referring domains, which is pushing back 302 backlinks. Looks like historically you had a just 1.3K. Looks like you started your website back in 2013 or so. So you're being found for 300 keywords, and in return you're getting about 116 clicks to your website every month. This is all organic, by the way. It does look like you are running ads. The PPC that stands for pay per click, and you can actually see where these 116 clicks are coming from, and also it can tell me. HVAC companies in Orlando FL. Looks like you're running an ad right there. But on the organic side, you're 17th position, so you're missing all the organic clicks from that because you're 17th position and out of the 60. You can actually go see all these other HVAC Kissimmee FL. There's 30 clicks every month. You're first position, but you're missing the traffic. Looks like something that isn't really optimized on your website as well. So some of those keywords aren't really coming through. Let's go to the second page. You got your name for a lot of these. Air Conditioning Kissimmee FL, Air Conditioning Kissimmee. 7th position. You're missing all the traffic on those too. Huh. Yeah, it maybe seem like your page isn't optimized really. That's why you're not really getting the traffic for those being even ranked on them. Anyway, let me show you Dell Air. This is some keywords and what they're actually being found for. They got a AC Repair Orlando FL. There's 200 clicks every month. They're first position, so they're getting 70 clicks every month just from that one keyword alone. AC Repair Orlando, there's another 600 clicks. Just out of these two keywords alone, there's 800 clicks just off those two. There's 70 clicks, another 66 clicks every month. So just the traffic alone is just insane. And yeah, we can go through all these other keywords, and but yeah, really being found for those keywords, having those that authoric backlink, the authoric content, also those backlinks as well, will make a huge difference on that quality work that you're actually trying to get. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I would love a free custom game plan. Feel free to reach out to me, or at least tell me how I did on this review, and also, or at least apply these three free tips for yourself. Thanks.